Come on, get on. Sooner this is over and done with, the better.
This is not going to be pleasant, is it? Let me just fire it up.
You okay?
Yeah, handbrake's on. It's not going to move.
I've got hold of your shoulder, not because I'm sort of...
Oh, fucking hell. Fucking hell.
Oh, do you know what? Oh, fucking hell, that's horrible. I'll learn my lesson. I'm leaning to the side.
Oh, this is gonna be unpleasant.
You have never seen teeth gritted like mine. Watch that fucking red car.
I'm gonna have to bleep all the swearing out now, aren't I?
It's a right turn. Fuck it. We went straight last time. Oh,
here we go. Hey, we got a little roundabout here.
Shut up. Watch out for the pavement.
Nowhere near the bloody pavement. Shut up.
Jesus fucking Christ.
I tell you what, folks, I'm doing 16 mile an hour. It sounds like I'm doing about 90s whinging. You alright back there, Raymond?
Fuck off.
Okay. He's not screaming yet, folks.
Oh! Fuck off!
Get out of it, I hardly touched it.
On the throttle.
What's wrong with you?
Get your hands where I can see them.
Can you not put your arms around my eyes, please? Hey, I hope to goodness that's your hand, Dad, not something else, mate.
Can't reach with me knob.
Hey, stop squeezing me sides with your thighs, will you, you dirty old... Get out of it! Oh, it's disgusting! Oh, God! This is the worst half a mile of my life! Ow! Stop headbutting me out! Oh, God, I can't wait for this to be over. Oh.
I'm trying to figure out how many of your wives have said that to you. We're stopping now.
We're going to stop. Let me just get level first, mate, before... Get off.
Have you done it?
Yeah, go on.
Fucking hell, it's a long way down.
That was the worst thing I've ever had to do in my life.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
Where am I going to park my bike? Be alright here for a minute.
Yeah, you just do what you want.
And that, folks, is how not to take your mate's pillion.